Crochet can look super complicated, but once you get the hang of it, you realize it's actually pretty easy and not that deep. So in this video, I'll be sharing 10 beginner-friendly crochet projects that you can make and not feel overwhelmed while making them.
Over and over from my faith in others. Little did I know I could do it on my own.
Hi everyone, I'm Rani and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be showing you 10 beginner-friendly crochet projects that you can make and you can finish very fast, and you can even use a ball of yarn for most of this project. So calm down. Before we get started, I just want to say a very big thank you to 101 subscribers. Oh my god, I know it's not much, but it's something and I will celebrate it. So thank you guys, 100 subscribers, and I want to say a very big thank you for always supporting this channel, for watching and liking and commenting. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you continue to support this channel by giving thumbs up and commenting and liking and watching till the end. And I know it's not much, but it's something to celebrate. 100 subscribers, it's not easy. And hopefully in the nearest future this 100 gets to have another 0 at the back, hopefully. So yeah, back to the video. If you are new to crochet and you're wondering where to start from, this video is for you, and I'm sure by the end of this video you will have one thing that you've actually made and you can use. So without further ado, grab your yarn and your hook and let us get started. So yeah, number one is headbands. Headbands are very versatile, like the one on the screen here. You can see how simple and neutral it looks. You can easily make this with one ball of yarn, and you can add other colors, you can change the pattern, you can use single crochet, you can use double, you can use any kind of stitch you want, and you'll still get a very lovely headband at the end of the day, like the ones I'm showing right here. You can switch it up and you can add bows, you can add a lot of other stuff to it to just spice it up. But trust me, it is a very beginner friendly project. After making headbands, you can slowly transition into making bandanas because they are quite similar. So you can make bandanas too, like this one over here. And don't make something too complex, just make something with simple stitches, like granny stitches and all that. Yeah. The next project is keychains. I really love the way like this one now, the cherry one. I just think it's so cute, and you can make other ones like the sunflower one. Now you can even use it as charms for your bags. And then there's the butterfly. They just meant a lot of variations of it. You can just have fun with it, like the rose one. So it's really nice, the keychain crochet projects, and you can even finish that like in an hour at most. They're very easy to make. The next one, number 3, is scrunchies. I just really love how they look like when you have the jumbo size, like this one right here. It's just really nice when you dress it up, and it just looks elegant. You can add different colors. You can make it this big, but you can also make it really small depending on what you are going for, really. And it's just really nice and very simple to make. Number 4, they are Airpod cases. I feel like these are one of the cutest things in crochet. You can add beads, you can add flowers to them, you can like just play around with the stitches, basically, like just have fun with it. And I think they are really cute and easy to make for beginners anyway. Number 4. No, that's number 5. Sorry. Number 5 is beanie. And at this point, it's becoming a ritual already. Every beginner is knowing how to make a beanie. Yeah, every beginner knows how to make a beanie at this point. And I feel like they are one of the easiest things to make. It's just one row repeat, and you can just add. You can even make the cat's ears one. They're just really nice, honestly. You can't finish 2 skins of yarn on it. No, you can't. And you can just add other colors, just play with it, have fun with it, and I'm sure you will really like it. Now moving on to number 6, and I know if you're a book girly, you really love this one, and that is book sleeves. So you can make book sleeves for your crochet project as a beginner, and you can do it in like different colors. You can make it in a little square, or you can make like a purse type of book sleeve. It's really going to be nice for beginner projects, and it's something you can finish in a day, in fact in an hour. And from there you can move on to laptop sleeves, which are also equally easy. Like there's nothing complicated in the pattern, so it's like the perfect project for a beginner. The next one, number 7, they are wallets. So this one's like, they are very small, and the patterns are not usually complicated. It's just like a row repeat, like one row repeat, you go back and forth and you get the wallet. There are a lot of tutorials online that you can check, and hopefully I'll be making some tutorials on this project too, so you can try them out. But wallets are not really hard to make. You can add different colors, you can make them in any style you want. They're very easy and very useful too. It's something that you will use for quite a long time. So now all the other ones I've been mentioning, they are just like accessories and not really wearable items. But now number 8 is something that you can wear and be happy and show off. So that is bra tops. Tops are also relatively easy as a beginner. For a beginner, they are relatively easy to make. Just like identical things, identical cups that you just join together. If you don't know how to take measurements, making bra tops can be quite hard for you, so you need to learn how to take measurements for the projects you will be making, like the bra tops now. But yeah, as I said, as time goes on, I'll be making tutorials on it, so you don't have to worry about that. We'll learn how to make measurements for wearable items too. And yeah, the next one, number 9, you'll be needing measurements also, and that is halter tops, or just tube tops basically. So halter tops, like, they are really common. They are like one of the few things, or the first things you make when you start crocheting. They are very easy, relatively easy to make. It's just like increasing every row or decreasing, it depends on how you started. But you also need to learn how to take measurements for halter tops. So yeah, but they are really cute, and like different styles you can make. So it's something you can make and be happy, and then show it off to your friends that you actually made something. And finally, number 10, and that is try different stitches. And just get your hands on different stitches that you see online. It's not like you will not see a pattern now and then you start asking people, like you start asking other crocheters, okay, what stitch is this, what stitch is that, when it's basically just crochet, double crochet stitch. Do you get? So you need to familiarize yourself with other stitches out there, like the even more stitch, the moss stitch, waffle stitch, V stitch, mesh stitch. We have a lot of mesh stitches, so you just have to know all of them. Basically, you just have to know the basics, and when you see other designs, you'll be able to tell, okay, this is the stitch they used, this is the variation they did. You know, it'll be easy for you to recognize when you see other designs, and you'll be able to replicate other patterns when you get familiar with different stitches. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you'll be able to learn a thing or two. And out of all these things that I've mentioned and shown you, you are like excited to make something out of them. So if you have any requests, just let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you. And yeah, in the next video we'll be making one of these items. I'm not going to say yes, but we'll be making one of these items, and I am really excited about that. I hope you are too, and I hope you stick around for that. So please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which project you'll be making next. So yeah, see you in the next video, guys. Bye.